Welcome back to Old Man Wisdom. I apologise straight away that it's been a couple of weeks since my last video, and so we need to do a bit of a catch up. So if we go back to the beginning of November, this is what I was saying I would like to see, that price comes up into this blue zone here, and if I just extend this across, that's exactly what happened, and we was looking for a drop. So price was stalling in this area and dropped for some 120 pips. So there was plenty of opportunity there around the 8th, 9th and 10th of November. Since then, of course, price has shot back through our zone and worked its way up. And the next zone here is taken from the monthly chart. It's the 1.05500 mark. Now this has been on the chart for many months, and we'll ignore what my analysis would have been in this area last week. Let's just go straight to the fact that I would like to see price push all the way up to this level. Now it could be that we have that price has a little play around before we look to sell the market. So although we're clearly in an uptrend, I would still like to see price being sold off. And there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can wait till it hits this area and then break the trend line. Or, as always, and this is what I like to do, is to see price stalling. So if we just zoom in a little bit and go back to my last video a couple of weeks ago, you'll have seen that when we got to this area here, price just went sideways and stalled for many, many hours before it dropped away. This is what I mean when I say that I want to see price stalling. So sometimes if price gets up here, yes, we'll see it stalling, but it likes to do a retest. And of course, sometimes it likes to periodically punch its way through, take out liquidity or all the stop losses before dropping away. So we need to keep this in mind when we trade Forex or indeed any kind of online trading. But this is what sometimes happens. So we want to be on or around this area. Now just one or two candles when it gets to this level is not really enough. We want to see price properly stalling like we did right back here in the beginning of November or here at the end of October. We want to see something similar happening up or around this level here. And that's my simple analysis. So we've missed the last couple of weeks, I do apologise, but let's bring this right back up to date here on the EURUSD, and this is what I'd like to see for next week. So that brings you up to date on the EURUSD. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll be speaking to you very, very soon.